Hey guys, this is Nick, aka my brother's brother. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the best fidget spinner in history. Say hello to the Infinite Spin Black Infinite Spin. As you can see, this is an amazing fidget spinner. When it spins, these marble things right here, these flashy things, and then you look at light, they do a massive line of spiral of light. So I'm about to spin it. Look, you can see it. Ah, crap. Yeah, whatever. But Infinite Spin fidget spinner. Amazing fidget spinner, high tech. Here. And also you can screw off the caps. Except the caps become loose after spinning it really hard. So, but look, it's a screwy caps. I'm gonna screw them together. Here's the ball bearings. No, I don't clue what type of ball bearings they are, but they're really good. Really good fidget spinner. You can't spin it like this though. Oh, nah. Okay. I'm gonna try to scrape it on scrape. Here's the Infinite Spin, and if you want to know the best way to spin it for longer time, is to spin it like this right here. Right here, like this. Sorry, I haven't played with this one in a while. There. And look, it spins longer like this, not like this. So goodbye, this is my review with it. So good luck to everybody. Peace and subscribe.